You don't end up in construction because you're stupid. A
No.
lot of people were told that. And if they weren't told explicitly, they inherited it implicitly. Either the way parents talk to them, teachers,
Cultural
coaches.
societies, movies, and I believe there's so many people in this because they got pushed out of the education system.
They were done a disservice by the system that was set up. And the emphasis was put on people who are smart enough, and I use air quotes, smart enough will do better in life. The way we measure smart enough is totally wrong because it's one learning style. It's one way of doing math. It's sitting in your chair, not acting out. That's not how everybody works. So they were told this message that they weren't good enough to go that way. So you're going to do this and you're going to have to settle for this because you're less of a human, second-class citizen. And then they're put on a construction site where they're treated like garbage. They're treated as a resource to get a job done. They don't have a table to eat their lunch at. They don't have warm water to wash their hands. And they're totally disconnected. The work is transient because they don't know when they're going to get laid. So you're pushing these people, and then you wonder why there's all these issues, substance misuse and mental health, suicide, all these things. There is a definite problem here. It's a symptom of a bigger problem. Everybody loves to talk about the symptoms, like, oh yeah, suicide, it's really high in construction. We should do something. What is the problem, guys? Yeah. Dive deeper. In construction, you're 5 times more likely to die by suicide than a workplace fatality. So everybody's so focused on, oh, don't fall from heights, don't get electrocuted. But who's having the conversations about, hey, where are you at? What are you thinking? Are you thinking about the worst thing? That's a bigger hazard that we should be, for, but people aren't trained in that.